It turns out Mark Zuckerberg may not have been telling the truth about Llama not or never being trained on your Facebook data. The Verge published this article last week. Meta fed its AI on almost everything you've posted publicly since 2007. Unless you're in the EU, there's no ability to opt out of AI training settings that keep Facebook or Instagram posts public. Now, maybe what Mark Zuckerberg really meant is he's not going to train it on private data, but if you've posted publicly, then they have trained on your data, which makes sense. Look, that is their major differentiation from OpenAI, from really any other AI company, is the fact that they have all of this unique, high quality data from their products. Meta has acknowledged that all text and photos that adult Facebook and Instagram users have publicly published since 2007 have been fed into its artificial intelligence models. Australia's ABC News reports that Meta's global privacy director, Melinda Claybaugh, initially rejected claims about user data from 2007 being leveraged for AI training during a local government inquiry about AI adoption before relenting after additional questioning. Quote, "The truth of the matter is that unless you have consciously set those posts to private since 2007, Meta has just decided that you will scrape all of the photos and all of the text from every public post on Instagram or Facebook since 2007, unless there was a conscious decision to set them private. That's the reality, isn't it?" And she says, correct. And it should have been clear that they were going to do this because in their privacy center, they essentially just say it. We use public posts and comments on Facebook and Instagram to train generative AI models for these features and for the open source community. We don't use posts or comments with an audience other than public for these purposes. So I definitely remember Mark Zuckerberg saying that they're not training on Facebook's data, but maybe he said private data and I just didn't notice. So if you're on Facebook, your data is getting trained on if your content is public.